The heights of Mercury's surfaces in the two arms of the manometer shown in figure are 2 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Atmospheric pressure is given as this. Find the pressure of the gas in the cylinder and the pressure of the mercury at the bottom of the U-tube. Fine. Now let's say the height over here is 2 centimeter. This height is given as 8 centimeter. So the difference in height, that is this much height, is of course 6 centimeter. Now let's say the atmospheric pressure is P naught. So we know that the liquid at the same level will have the same pressure. So let's say this is my point 1, this is my point 2. So pressure at point 1 will be equal to pressure at point 2, and pressure at point 1 will be equal to pressure of gas. Fine. So I can calculate the value of P2, and P2 will be given by P naught plus rho GH, where H is 6 centimeter. So just substitute the values. The value of P naught is 10 to the power 5 plus density of mercury, that is 16600 into 9.8 into 6 centimeter. So the pressure at point 2 comes out to be 1.09 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. That is the answer for the first part. In second part, I had to calculate the pressure of the mercury at the bottom of the tube. So pressure at the bottom can be written as P naught plus rho G 8 centimeter, and that will be also equal to pressure of gas plus rho G 2 centimeter. Fine. So you can calculate the value of P bottom from any of the expression. I'll calculate from this expression. The P naught is 1.01 into 10 to the power 5 plus 3600 into 9.8 into 8 by 100. So the pressure at bottom comes out to be 1.12 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. That is the answer for the B part.